Hi, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Cisco IP phone 7900 series. So the phone I have in front of me is a 7945 model. So what you want to do is make sure your phone is powered off. By doing that, go ahead and unplug the Ethernet cable and go ahead and plug it back into the switchboard. As soon as you have it plugged in, go ahead and press and hold down to the pound key. The line indicator lights will start flashing amber. As soon as that happens, let go of the pound key and go ahead and press the reset sequence keys, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, 0, pound. The phone will then reset itself and it will go into this phase where it's upgrading. So this process usually runs about 10 minutes. It'll go and collect all its information from the DHCP server, and once that is finished, it'll go and reboot itself. So once this phone is rebooted, go ahead and press the soft key to unsleep it, and as you can see, the phone is set to default. Well, this is how you factory reset a Cisco IP phone. Thanks for joining us.